Imagine standing outside on a quiet night when suddenly the sky above you rumbles with a deep, resonant boom. This isn't thunder, nor is it an aircraft. It's a phenomenon that's been baffling scientists and unsettling communities worldwide. The mysterious skyquakes, from the eerie sky trumpets heard in various parts of the globe to the persistent hum that plagues certain towns. These unexplained sounds have sparked debates, investigations, and even conspiracy theories. But are they real? Or are they just hoaxes, urban legends, or misinterpretations of natural events? In this video, we'll delve deep into these phenomena, exploring the science behind them, the theories attempting to explain them, and the cultural impact they've had. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether these strange sounds are a genuine mystery of our world or just the product of overactive imaginations. Across the globe, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene landscapes of North Bay, Ontario, Canada, people have reported hearing inexplicable sounds emanating from the sky. These sounds vary in nature. Some are deep, booming noises, while others resemble trumpets or even the growls of distant thunder. Despite numerous reports, a definitive explanation remains elusive. But before we jump to conclusions, let's examine some of the most notable instances of these mysterious sounds. Skyquakes, the global phenomenon. Skyquakes, also known as Seneca guns, in North America, are loud, unexplained noises that seem to originate from the sky. Reports of such sounds have been documented worldwide, from the North Sea to the Ganges, and from Canada to Colombia. Possible explanations. Meteors. Some scientists suggest that moderate-sized meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere could cause sonic booms, resulting in the skyquake phenomenon. Gas explosions. Sudden releases of trapped gases, either from underground vents or decaying organic matter in lakes, might produce these sounds. Underwater caves. The collapse of underwater caves can release air and water pressure, creating a booming noise. Solar activity. The solar wind's interaction with Earth's magnetic field might produce sounds, though this theory remains speculative. Despite these theories, no single explanation has been universally accepted, and the true cause of skyquakes remains a mystery. 2. Sky trumpets, the musical enigma. In various parts of the world, especially in Europe and parts of Asia, residents have reported hearing trumpet-like sounds emanating from the sky. These sounds often occur during clear skies and have been likened to the biblical trumpets of the apocalypse. Possible explanations. Atmospheric conditions. Certain weather conditions, like temperature inversions, can cause sound waves to travel further, amplifying distant noises. Military activity. Some theories suggest that secret military operations or testing of advanced technology might be responsible for these sounds. Natural acoustic phenomena. Geographical formations can sometimes cause sound waves to resonate, producing trumpet-like noises. While these theories provide potential explanations, the consistency and global nature of the reports make it challenging to pinpoint a definitive cause. 3. The hum. A persistent mystery. The hum is a low-frequency noise reported by residents in various towns, including Halifax, West Yorkshire. Unlike skyquakes or sky trumpets, the hum is a continuous, low-pitched sound that can cause physical and psychological distress. Possible explanations. Industrial noise. Some researchers believe that industrial equipment, such as ventilation systems or machinery, might emit low-frequency sounds that are perceived as the hum. Internal auditory phenomena. Conditions like tinnitus can cause individuals to perceive sounds that aren't externally present. Electromagnetic interference. Exposure to certain electromagnetic fields might induce auditory perceptions in some individuals. Despite extensive investigations, no conclusive source for the hum has been identified, leaving many residents frustrated in seeking answers. 4. Electrophonic sounds. Meteors that you can hear. Electrophonic sounds are a rare phenomenon where meteors produce audible sounds at the same time they are visible in the sky. Unlike normal meteor sounds, which are heard after a delay, electrophonic sounds are perceived simultaneously with the meteor's appearance. Possible explanations. Strong electric fields. Some scientists suggest that the strong electric fields generated by meteors can induce sounds in the surrounding environment. Corona discharge mechanism. The ionization of air around a meteor might lead to a corona discharge, producing audible sounds. Due to the rarity of this phenomenon, scientific understanding remains limited, and more research is needed to confirm these theories. 5. The microwave auditory effect, hearing without sound. The microwave auditory effect, also known as the Frey effect, is a phenomenon where individuals perceive sounds induced by pulsed or modulated radio frequencies. These sounds are generated directly inside the human head, without the need for any receiving electronic device. Possible explanations. Thermoelastic expansion. The rapid heating and cooling of tissues in the auditory system might produce sounds perceived by the individual.